Please hold on to the handrails when the bus is moving. No standing on the upper deck or stairs, please. Please use the available seats upstairs if you can. Please look up and offer your seat to anyone who needs it more than you. Remember, not all disabilities are visible. This bus terminates here. Please take your belongings with you. This bus is on diversion. Please listen for further announcements. The final destination of this bus has changed. We apologize for any inconvenience to your journey. Please listen for more details. A customer needs the wheelchair priority area. Please make space. Please move down inside the bus and use every seat. The next bus stop is closed. CCTV is used on this bus for your safety and security during the journey. Customers are required to make space for a wheelchair user. The bus will wait while this happens. The driver will open the doors as soon as it is safe to do so. Please stay with your buggy for your child's safety. The driver has been told to wait at this bus stop for a short time to help even out the service. We apologize for any inconvenience to your journey. This bus will wait for a short time for a change of drivers to take place. We apologize for any inconvenience to your journey.